Hi and welcome to this tutorial. I'm now going to teach you how to use a Flash template to create a quiz which has multiple questions on the one page and accepts answers only in numeric form. Okay, without further ado, here it is. Okay, what's your name? Like some of the other templates, it greets you personally, and then you commence the quiz. As I said before, it accepts answers only in numeric form, so we'll get a couple right and we'll leave a few wrong, or just leave a few blank, maybe one, say one wrong and leave a few blank, and we'll submit. And you can see the feedback there says you got 5 right, 5 wrong from one attempt. That's 50% so far. And again, the feedback is personalized. So we'll go up here and we'll fix these ones that are wrong. Might just leave one wrong and submit again. Nearly there. Okay, you've only got to fix up one answer, and when we get it all right, we get this feedback message. Okay, so how to actually make this yourself. Now this is a pretty easy template to use actually, and basically all you do is you get the template, you copy the template into a folder, okay, and then you rename the template. I'll just call it numeric test 2, but you should call it something that's specific to your subject and your topic. Okay, then you open it in Flash, and you'll need Flash CS4 to edit this as a teacher, and the students will need Flash Player 10 to actually play the quiz or complete the quiz. New South Wales DET laptops have that. Okay, so when you open the quiz, probably the first and most easy thing to do is just to double click on where it says insert heading here. Okay, and type in whatever heading you like. Addition test, numeric. Okay, once you've done that, you need to make sure that your scrub head, that's this red little box here, is in frame number 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and that's where all the action happens. Okay, in frame 3. Now, what we're going to do is we're actually going to type the questions by simply clicking a few times where it says insert question here. We type the questions in, and I might just do a couple. What do we say? 1 plus 2. So I'll just do 2. And the rest is obviously just the same thing. Okay, and you'd go through and type in all of those yourself, and that does not tell the computer at all what the correct answer is. You need to go into the code to tell the computer what answer is correct, and then the computer will know when to display the tick, when to display the cross, and how to configure the feedback. So really, there is a lot of code in here, but you don't need to know much at all. All you need to do is know where to put in your correct answers. Okay, so let's go into the code. You need to be in the action script layer, okay, and frame number 3. So that's 1, 2, 3 in the action script layer. Okay, and then just click on the actions frame, and if you don't see this actions frame, go up to the top of your screen and click the window button and go down to actions in that menu, or press the shortcut F9. Now when you're in that actions frame, you just scroll down a little bit until you get to, it should be about line 44, and you'll see the actual phrase insert answer 001 in numerical form. So just double click there and type in whatever the answer is that you want to be correct. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That's the answer you're looking for. And it's as simple as that. Now that means that question 1's already finished. Okay, and we'll do question 2 as well. Alright, and we'll say 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, and I'll go through and do the rest of them just like I did on that test quiz before that I showed you. Okay, now I've just gone through and typed in all of the answers that I want to be correct, and I've typed in all of the questions as well, and basically that's it. The quiz is finished now, and you just press Control S to save it, and of course you've got to publish it. So go to File and then to Publish, and when you do that, in the folder that you are in, you'll see you've now got this HTML file and this SWF, as well as the dark red FLA. Remember, the FLA is the file that the teacher uses to create the test, and the other two are ones that you give to the students. Typically the easiest one to give is the HTML file. So let's just test that now. We'll double click. Okay, you might see this yellow bar at the top of your screen. Click Allow Blocked Content and say yes, and here it is. Okay, what's your name? Okay, and there's your test, made as simple as that, and you can see that the feedback is just like it was before. Perfect. Okay, thank you, and I hope you learned something.